Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the C90 Pro smartwatch. On our last video, we do have a demo for the smart notifications or the push notifications. On this video, we are going to have a demo for the Bluetooth call. Let's see if it will work with our Android smartphone. So we will try to call and we'll try to use the dial pad as well as the contacts for our C90 Pro smartwatch. So if you are interested to see this feature, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start. Just like our message notification, we are already set up or paired with the support app. So we have here the application Highware Plus, and we are already connected. So let's just double check our push notification. So let's go to our phone book, and as you can see, we have already two numbers added to our smartwatch. Okay, let's see. So it's now synchronizing. Let's check. So we have the dial and we have here the contacts. Okay, so everything is set here. Seems like everything is okay. Let's start and let's call the number. And so everything is set. So let's start and call someone. So we have here the phone number of Cindy. So let's call Cindy. Calling Cindy. It's now calling. And we have here the call. So we have here someone's calling 3, 9, and 9. Let's see. Why is it the number is... Why is it that the number did not register? There's no caller ID. Okay, we have the number here 399, but it's not showing on the call. Okay, again, so there's no caller ID for the call with the C90 Pro. It's not working, as you can see here. And call and call, but the Bluetooth call works, as you can see here. For the number, let's try to call Sam. We have the number here of Sam 0969. Let's call back. Zero 9 6 9 6 1. Is it correct? 5 8 3 9 and 9. Let's call the number. It's now calling the number. Let's see, and we have here. Okay, although the number is registered, but the caller ID or the name of the caller did not register here or did not show. So the Bluetooth call works, but the problem is the registered number is not showing. Okay, you see the problem here? So the Bluetooth call works, the dial pad works, but it is not showing here. Or when you call, it is not showing the name of the caller, although the number is registered here. Next, last one, let's try to check. Let's go to the dial and let's use the phone book here. So let's call Sam. Let's tap on the number here. Let's see if it will work. It's now calling Sam. Let's see if we'll receive it here. And it's working. Okay, the phone book works. As you can see, we do have the name. Okay, but if someone is calling you, it will not show here on the smartwatch. Okay, and call. Next, let's try to answer the call here. Okay, let's call again Cindy. It's now calling. And we have here the number. So let's try to answer the call. Hello. So there's a volume adjustment and the Bluetooth call works, although the speaker is not that very loud. Bye. Okay, so that's it for the Bluetooth call demo of the C90 Pro. So it works, but there's some issues with the Bluetooth call for the C90 Pro. So again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And of course, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.